Alright, we're standing in front of 3120 Myers Avenue. The roof was just done in June. Brand new roof. There is a single car garage on the left, and then attached to that is actually a double tandem, so a 4-car garage plus a workshop in the front end of it. It's got a couple big evergreen trees here on 2 of the sides, but we'll just kind of take a quick look around the neighborhood. And we'll head inside. As we step inside the front door, we have a living room. There is a wall bracket up here for a TV and connections for a stereo. This room's been wired for stereo. Speaker's not here, but the wiring is here. And then we get step back in here into the kitchen area. Tile floors, kind of a dining area at this end. Let me flip a few lights on here and help us out a little bit. Anyway, slider out to a deck. If I remember right, that's like 12 by 16. Nice storage area over here. There's a few odds and ends there in the process of moving out. And we walk by, this little hallway goes back to the bathroom and one of the bedrooms. We'll go in there in a minute. Otherwise, we go back this hallway. This is considered the master bedroom. It's got the 2 double closets, got the wood-burning fireplace. And then across the hall is the second and third bedroom. Again, both these second and third bedrooms have nice little double closets. As we step inside the front door, we have a living room, and over here on this wall, sorry it might be a little dark, but it's a setup for a flat screen to hang from the wall, plus wiring is there for surround sound. And if we go down this first little hallway, this is the main floor bathroom in here. It could easily be finished and have a shower along with the tub. And one of the 4 bedrooms, double closet, ceiling fan. And we walk back out here again, living room, and then the kitchen. With a huge pantry closet over here. That door leads it to the downstairs, the breezeway, and out into the garage. But if we walk down this way, on the left here is the master bedroom. Has 2 double closets, a fireplace, and across the hall are the 2 more bedrooms for a total of 4 bedrooms here on the, again, big double closet. Again, all the bedrooms have ceiling fans. This is probably the smallest of the 4 bedrooms. Kitchen and deck with a tomato plant growing next to it. I'll include some drone aerial shots so you can kind of see the whole backyard. And when we step out here into the breezeway, there's a hot tub. This is heated. Get another slider to the backyard. And out to the first garage. Now it does have its own heater. This garage can be heated, and there is water out here. And some nice storage up here, garage door opener. And then if we step out into the big garage, again, 2 doors, 2 openers. He said he's actually has as many as 5 cars parked in here, I believe, at one time. Again, has its own furnace and central air. Again, big workbench area. Actually, that's the furnace, and that's the central air unit. Again, some more storage. Also a side door. Go out to the front of the driveway. Let's go downstairs. Okay, at the bottom of the steps, here to our right is the laundry room, washer and dryer, and some storage shelves. Across the hall is just a small little office area. And as we go down the hallway here, first door is just the furnace room, and then there is some storage and the hot water heater and water softener are back here in the corner. And then next is 3/4 bath. And then this is just a little storage closet back behind here, and then the family room. Now, this is a wet bar, and he'll leave that fridge. And it does have a couple of windows that does let some light in. And over here is just another big storage space. Lots of shelving. Again, just another look at the family room. And that's the basement. Well, thank you for stopping by my little video tour of 3120 Myers Avenue here in Sioux City, Iowa. I'm Lonnie, and if you'd like your own personal tour of this home, my contact info will be coming up here in just a second. Thanks for stopping.